Hi, friends! Grab your popcorn, your drink, and let's listen into today's story. So, today's story is about Motel 8. This is the English version that was sent in by a shaman sister. There's also a Hmong version of this story in our channel. So, if you like, please head over to our channel. Otherwise, we will leave the link in the bio for your convenience. But, alright, let's get right into it. Have you ever slept in a haunted hotel before? Because I have. In 2009, my family and I went to visit some relatives in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It was getting pretty late on the way there, so we decided to find a place to sleep for the night. There was a Motel 8 on the way by Highway 94, so we decided to sleep there for the night. We went in and asked the receptionist if they had any rooms available, and she stated that they did, so she booked a room for us. We gathered our things and headed to the room. The room was pretty spacious and had two queen beds. My kids turned on the TV and started playing as I lay down on the bed. My husband sat by the end of the bed and watched TV with the kiddos. Suddenly, I felt strange and almost as if I was going to shake. My husband turned around to look at me and noticed that something was wrong, so he asked me if I was okay. I didn't respond to him, but went and sat closer to him. As I sat next to him, I started to shake. It's like when a shaman goes into trance and starts shaking. When I started to shake uncontrollably, my husband got scared and kept asking me, "What's wrong?" It felt like there was a lot of presence around me, and something inside of me kept saying, "We need to get out of here now." So I told my family that we can't stay here any longer and that we needed to get out of the room right now. My kids grabbed their shoes and jackets as my husband helped me out of the room. We drove 2 blocks away from the motel and I started to feel a little better. Then we parked at Walgreens parking lot. My husband asked me, "Since you're not okay, then let's not go back and rest there. Let's just go ahead and find a different place to sleep for the night. Otherwise, we can sleep in the car as well." I answered, "It's okay. Whether there's anything there or not, I'm not scared because it's not like we're looking for trouble. We're just looking for a place to rest. Also, we already paid for the room, so we have to go back and sleep there." He then answered me and said, "Okay, well, we can ask for a different room when we go back then." I told him, "It's okay. I'm not scared, and we'll make it through the night." We headed back to the motel, then we entered the room. It felt so cold, and there was this really eerie feeling and a really weird smell. Keep in mind that during this time, my husband just started his shaman journey. But I was unable to sleep all night because every time I closed my eyes, I would have a vision seeing a bunch of ghosts or spirits in the room. There were kid ghosts and adult ghosts. They would use random items to stab us and hit us in the head and our body. But it was weird because when my husband was near us, then they'll go away. It's as if they were scared of my husband. But then as soon as he goes to the bathroom, they will come back and try stabbing us again. I told my husband about it, and he opened the window and started asking the guardian of the area to watch over us. He told the guardian of the area, "We came in peace. We also already paid for the room, so please remove the spirits until we leave tomorrow. Then they can come back." I also prayed to the guardian of the area and my husband's calls to help watch over us. The spirits bothered us all night, and then when it was nearing dawn, I had a dream that my husband's calls came and killed all the spirits and took us home. I asked them, "Where's my husband?" And they responded, "He's already waiting for you all at home." Then I woke up. At this time it was 5:30 a.m., so I woke my family up to get ready so that we could leave for our relative's house. We spent the day with our cousins and then headed back home. When we were getting closer to home, I told my husband to sweep us with Jaws paper before we went into the house. He said okay. When we arrived home, he went in the house and grabbed the Jaws paper to sweep me and our children before heading inside. That night, my husband had a dream that those spirits chased us home, but he hit and injured them severely, so they ran back. Ever since then, I stopped sleeping at any motels. If I had to find a place to rest, then I would book a nicer looking hotel that's a little more expensive. If they looked a little cheaper or creepy, then I wouldn't, because I never want to experience that again. And that's the end of this story. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I pray that we all continue to be well with great health after listening to today's story. If anyone has any true stories that they would like to submit, please message us. Our email is in the bio. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.